welcome to my channel. This is Diamond the Realtor here, giving you 7 reasons to buy a home. Stay tuned. So 7 reasons to buy a home. Number 1, tax benefits. The U.S. tax code lets you deduct the interest you pay on your mortgage, your property taxes, and some of the costs involved in buying a home. Reason 2, appreciation. Historically, real estate has had a long-term stable growth in value. Reason 3, equity. Money paid for rent is money that you'll never see again. But mortgage payments let you build equity, ownership, interest in your home. Number 4, savings. Building equity in your home, a ready-made savings plan. And when you sell, you can generally take up to $250,000, $500,000 for a married couple as gain without owing any federal income taxes. Number 5, predictability. Unlike rent, your fixed rate mortgage payments don't rise over the years. So your housing costs may actually decline as you own the home longer. However, keep in mind that property taxes and insurance costs will likely increase. Number 6, freedom. The home is yours. You can decorate any way you want and choose the types of upgrades and new amenities that appeal to your lifestyle. So if you like pink paint, paint it pink. Number 7, stability. Remaining in one neighborhood for several years allows you and your family time to build lasting relationships within the community. It also offers children the benefit of educational and social continuity. I hope you enjoyed the 7 reasons to buy a home. And if you have any more questions, you can reach me by email at info@diamondkeysgroup.com, or you can call myself at 904-533-5588. Be safe.